Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how cyanocobalamin vitamin B12 is made. This vital nutrient, a synthetic form of B12, is crucial for your body's nerve function, red blood cell production, and DNA synthesis. Its commercial production is a fascinating process, primarily achieved through the power of tiny microorganisms. We'll explore how these microscopic helpers transform simple ingredients into this essential vitamin, ensuring a consistent and reliable supply for supplements and fortified foods worldwide. The journey of vitamin B12 begins with microbial fermentation. Specialized bacteria, such as Propionibacterium shermanii, are cultivated in massive bioreactors. These microorganisms are fed a carefully balanced nutrient broth and thrive in a controlled environment, including specific temperatures and pH levels. As they grow, they naturally produce various forms of cobalamin, primarily hydroxycobalamin, which is the crucial precursor for our desired cyanocobalamin. It's a testament to biotechnology's precision. Once the fermentation is complete, the hydroxycobalamin needs a transformation. It undergoes a chemical conversion where a cyanide group is introduced, changing it into cyanocobalamin. This step is carefully controlled to ensure the correct molecular structure. Following this, the product goes through extensive purification. Multiple filtration, crystallization, and chromatography steps are employed to remove any impurities, resulting in a highly pure and stable form of vitamin B12, ready for its many applications. The final, purified cyanocobalamin is then ready for widespread use. It's a key ingredient in dietary supplements, multivitamins, and fortified foods, helping countless people meet their daily B12 needs. Rigorous quality control measures are in place throughout the entire manufacturing process, from raw materials to the finished product, ensuring its safety, potency, and consistent quality. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.